Hi, we're here at John Sanders Auto Repair. Today we have a 2006 Volvo XC90, and it came in with a complaint of they went to a parking lot parked, they went to restart it would start and die, start and die. The car got towed in yesterday, took a look at it this morning. We had some codes in history, but nothing that could pertain to a no start. So we did a visual inspection, and we had the technician crank the engine over, we could hear an air hissing sound. So we started looking around, and we found the hose that goes from the top of the turbocharger to the charged air cooler was disconnected. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll pull the hose up here. And one thing we noticed is the clamp is at the edge of the hose on one area. The other area, it's farther back on the hose. And the problem is this hose was never on correctly from the factory. And so when it got a little bit of pressure got in there, or it had a chance to come loose a little bit, there was a lot of oil on the lip of it, but it was not correctly installed from the factory. So anyways, this is what caused us to have a no start condition. So we cleaned all the oil out of both surfaces, and now we're going to re-secure it, and we're going to straighten the clamp out so it covers the whole area of the charged air cooler. And that's just another little tip from John Sanders Auto Repair. Thank you.